I'm Alex from WTI.
I have found a great multi-tool that we like to use in our wood shop. It's from RoverTac, and the quality of each of the knife's components are excellent. Whether you're cutting with the scissors, or using the wire cutters, or whittling with the knife, this multi-tool helps you get your work done quickly and easily. There are many ways this knife could be used. Like I said, we like to use it in our shop, but it would be so helpful if you go camping or if you're active and need a multi-tool to take with you if you need to repair something, like your bike, let's say. And not only do you have a wine bottle opener, you also have a beer bottle opener too. This is very important. The screwdriver components are easy to use as well, and I like the variety it came with. The overall aesthetic of the knife is really cool, especially with that matte black finish. It's also comfortable in our hands and yet still compact, about the size of my palm. This multi-tool from RoverTac is a great addition to have whether you're on the go or for those tasks around the house.
And that's our point of view.